ক্লাস 10-এর ইংলিশ লেসন 3 দি পাসিং অ্যাওয়ে অফ বাপু। তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো আর লেখো, সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও। চুজ দি কারেক্ট অল্টারনেটিভ টু কমপ্লিট দি ফলোইং সেন্টেন্সেস। গান্ধীজি হ্যাড বিন শট অন হিজ ওয়ে টু এ প্রেয়ার মিটিং। দি অথর কেম টু নো অফ গান্ধীজি's death by a telephone call. When one is faced with the shock of a loved one's death on whispers. Whose death was the author called to Birla House due to the shooting of Gandhiji? The author was called to Birla House on the evening of 30 January 1948 when Gandhiji was shot. Where was Gandhiji shot? Gandhiji was shot on his way to a prayer meeting. How did the author feel upon hearing the news about Gandhiji? The author was numb with shock upon hearing the news about Gandhiji. Who had gathered around Gandhiji's body at Birla House? Gandhiji's relatives and followers had gathered around the body at Birla House. How did the news of Gandhiji's death spread through Delhi? The news of Gandhiji's death spread through Delhi like a flame fanned by wind. Why did the pupil clamor wildly and attempt to break into Birla House after their initial shock? The pupil clamored wildly and attempt to break into Birla House after their initial shock because they wanted to see Gandhiji's body and pay their respects, driven by their overwhelming emotions and the need for closure. What question was likely uppermost in the mind of the mourning pupil? What will become of me now that he has left me? When was Gandhiji's funeral to take place? The funeral was to take place the day after his death. What did Padmasi, Mrs. Nodi's daughter, say about walking in the funeral procession? Padmasi said that they would walk as it was the last time they would be walking with Bapu. How did the pupils show their grief during the funeral procession? Thousands of pupils silently watched the procession, wept and tried to touch Bapu's feet. Why was it impossible to move in the